Hello everyone. Here is a simple demonstration of the dimensions that linked data and dereferenceable URIs add to the existing web. So I'm going to start this demonstration interacting with a web page in traditional manner. So a URI has been entered into my browser. I hit the return key and I arrive at a page. The page in question is theyworkforyou.com. And on this particular page, I have a list of MPs from the UK House of Parliament. Now I can scroll through this list naturally, and if I encounter an MP that may be of interest to me, what I would typically do today on the web is click on that link. And when I click on that link, which is a URI to a document, my browser will retrieve and present another document to me. But it so happens in this interaction that I want to know a little bit more about Diane Abbott, the MP. And what I want to be able to do is obtain via the same URI an alternative representation of the page that I'm looking at that distills, separates, exposes Diane Abbott, the entity, through her own URI. And then, through that URI, get the additional information that I cannot easily obtain from the current page. So all I have to do is this. I right mouse and my context menu presents me with an option to describe the page that I'm looking at. Now I have a description of that page. And as you can see, here are the properties of the page that I was just looking at. The most important property to me right now is the topic of the page that I was looking at. The value of that property is the URI of the person, Diane Abbott, who happens to be an MP in the UK Parliament. Now, when I click on this URI, as I would any other URI when interacting with the web, I get an alternative representation, in this particular case, that exposes specific data in granular form about this particular entity. For instance, when did she enter the house? What's her constituency? What's her family name? Oh, and by the way, she is the same person referred to in DBpedia. And so when I click on that link, I am now able to look at additional information about Diane Abbott. All that has happened here is that I have chosen to explore an entity of interest using a representation that best satisfies my quest. Thank you.